Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Greece Prime Minister Kyriakos Mitsotakis condemns in the most intense manner the decision of Turkey to convert Hagia Sophia into a mosque. We asked Kyriakos Mitsotakis, why doesn't he talk about the status of 6 Ottoman era mosques in Greece? Greece must restore all these mosques before asking Turkey about Hagia Sophia. Fati Mosque in Athens. The Fati Mosque is a 17th century Ottoman mosque in central Athens, Greece. After Greek independence in 1834, it was damaged. It was renovated and reopened to the public in 2017, but not as a mosque. It is now used for cultural exhibitions. Sistaraki Mosque in Athens, now used as museum. Sistarakis Mosque is an Ottoman mosque. It was built in 1759, in Monastiraki Square, central Athens, Greece. It is now functioning as a part of the Museum of Greek Folk Art. Hamza Bey Mosque in Thessaloniki. Now it is used as a movie theatre. Hamza Bey Mosque is a 15th century Ottoman mosque in Thessaloniki, Greece. Modern Thessalonians commonly known as Alcazar, after a cinema that existed in the premises for a long period. Alaka Imaret Mosque in Thessaloniki, now a museum. It was built by Ashot Pasha in 1484. It had a mosque with an Imaret public charity kitchen. The mosque and Imaret are not in use anymore. The mosque has a early Ottoman architecture. The prayer hall is covered by 2 large domes. It has a structure consisting of a roof supported by columns covered by 5 smaller domes. It had only 1 minaret, which was destroyed after 1912, after Thessaloniki was captured by the Greek army and became part of the modern Greek state. It is now turned into a museum. Yeni Mosque in Thessaloniki. Its minarets were destroyed and now it is used expo hall. The Yeni Mosque, Greek, from Turkish, Yeni Cami, New Mosque, is a historical mosque in Thessaloniki, Greece. It was built by Italian architect Vitaliano Pozzelli in 1902 for the city's Donma community, who converted to Islam. However, when the Donma community left the city during the population exchange between Greece and Turkey, it was used to house the Archaeological Museum of Thessaloniki. Today it serves as an exhibition center.